Garage Time, we're going to do a product review of Creative Engineering's steering rack kit. Alright, so underneath the vehicle here you can see our rack kit assembled and installed. Now they give you a mounting plate. You don't have to do any real major modifications to do the install. It comes in obviously two different options, left-hand or right-hand drive. This is Creative Engineering, so they're in the UK. I'm in Canada, so I got the left-hand drive kit. This is your rack assembly here, which attaches back to your original center pin, and your steering box over here. Now it should be noted, and it does matter for us, for those of us who ride lowered vehicles, you do gain about 2 inches clearance or 50 millimeters of clearance just over the stock steering box. So that was an added plus. There is a lot of controversy on the web about this kit, lots of forums talking about it. I read them all before I was purchasing the kit, but you know, with the multiple knuckles here, saying you're removing knuckles, adding knuckles, is it any better? From my experience, the answer is yes. We did notice an improvement, and we do recommend the kit. Okay, so we moved inside the vehicle and we wanted to demonstrate our play. So you can see there's very little play in the steering wheel there. And again, this is after 4 to 5 years of use. Obviously that is just summertime use, but 4 to 5 years. And the steering column, you can get polished or powder coated. We went for polished, and they use needle bearings inside, so the shaft operates smoothly inside. Now the only downfall to this kit is your shaft inside the stock Volkswagen one has a hole in it. You run your cable through or your wiring through for your horn. Now this kit, it's a solid shaft, so you have to come up with another means to operate your horn. Creative Engineering sells you a new indicator switch with a horn on the end. There was a few options online for wireless horn kits. That is the route we went down. Or you can install a button on your dash somewhere if you want to go down that road. So you do need to come up with a way to get your horn to work. But other than that, it's a pretty nice kit, pretty easy install, and yeah, we would definitely recommend it. So that was a quick product review of a steering rack we've been using in our bus for about the last 4 to 5 years. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.